Today I am in one of the most unusual and creative and awesome ghost towns you could ever imagine, Red Oak 2. Red Oak 2 is the brainchild of an artist named Lowell Davis. So Lowell Davis grew up in the town of Red Oak, Missouri, which is 18 miles from here. Then he moved away for a period of time. When he came back from living, far away from here, he came back and found the town of Red Oak to be kind of a ghost town and falling apart. And so what he decided in his artistic and creative way was to start slowly moving buildings to this farm where he owned near Carthage, Missouri. And over time, he got more buildings, and some from the town of Red Oak, some from other ghost towns, and has created this community called Red Oak 2. So before I show you around Red Oak 2, let's go out to the original Red Oak and see what it looks like today. This is the original Red Oak, where Lowell Davis, I guess, where he grew up. There's really not much here except for the church that's behind me that says it was built in 1954. Other than that, there's just a few houses and farmland in this area. I guess Red Oak had a post office from 1877 till 1922. So obviously it was a town, and some of the buildings that I'm going to show you in Red Oak 2 were probably in this location, but there's not much here anymore. And so now back here in Red Oak 2, it's like I said, it's an incredible place to explore. There are people that actually do live here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stop talking and show you. I'm going to walk around the loop of town and show you what Red Oak 2 is all about.